Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to use a strikethrough on Google Docs. For example, I want to put a strikethrough on this text. So select all text or that word, and from top menu, click on Format. From text menu, choose a strikethrough. Click on it. Now as you see, our text have a strikethrough. For removing a strikethrough, select all that text again on the top menu. Click on Format. From text, again click on a strikethrough. Also, we can use shortcut for a strikethrough. As you see, based on your device, use on Windows or Mac this shortcut. For example, first select all that words or text and press Alt plus Shift plus 5. As you see, our text have a strikethrough. For removing, again select all text and use that shortcut again. Alt plus Shift plus 5. As you see, the strikethrough was removed. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.